Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's session of On Air with Boss. Our guest for today is a dynamic force of change in South Punjab, and her name is Filza Mumtaz. Filza is the founder of Shahs, Ween, and Multan Matters, each a testament to her mission of empowering women and reviving regional identity. As the former president of the Women Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Multan, and a current board member of the National Productivity Organization, Ministry of Industries and Production, Filza's influence spans entrepreneurship, advocacy, and policy. She began her journey at a young age as the CEO of Shahs, a clothing brand that evolved into a thriving social enterprise, supporting craftswomen through sustainable income and skills training. Through Ween, she empowered over 10,000 women, and through Multan Matters, she is inspiring civic-minded youth to reimagine the future of the region. She is a motivational speaker, a mentor, and a tireless change maker. Filza, can you walk us through your journey at Beacon House?
ग्रेड 3 में थी, नया बीकन हाउस आया था, कोठी अल नसरीन, अब जो कि सिटी हॉस्पिटल बन गया, वहाँ पे हमारा स्कूल होता था. एंड बड़ी हाइप थी कि जी नया स्कूल आया है मुल्तान में. वी केप्ट ऑन शिफ्टिंग बिल्डिंग्स फ्रॉम वन होम टू अनदर, कोठी अल नसरीन टू अनदर कोठी इन ऑफिसर्स कॉलोनी टू अनदर हाउस इन खानेवाल रोड टू अनदर. एंड बाय द टाइम ये जो नया कैंपस आया तो वी हैड ग्रेजुएटेड. तो ये नया कैंपस जो है हमारे नसीब में नहीं था.
So Filza, if you were supposed to describe your school experience in 3 words or phrases, what would they be and why?
A lot of fun. और अब if I look back, a lot of beautiful memories. Learning भी थी.
Okay. What is one thing that you miss the most from your time at Beacon House?
My friends.
Are you like in touch with your friends?
Of course I am, but वो वाली बात तो नहीं है ना. The friends are married, they have children, I have children, everybody has responsibilities. Those times, I mean.
So you miss the carefree times?
The carefree times, yeah.
Filza, what kind of student were you? Naughty or nice?
अंदर से naughty, ऊपर से Miss Goody Two Shoes.
Filza, can you tell us about a prank that you pulled off in school and never got caught for?
We used to hate chemistry.
Okay.
तो हमें इतनी बुरी लगती थी. And one of my best friends है ना, उसको हमने कहा कि यार आज तो खुदा के लिए कुछ ऐसा करो कि केमिस्ट्री ना पढ़नी पड़े. तो I told you हम कोठी अल नसरीन में पढ़ते थे. हमारी छोटी सी क्लास है, उसके ऊपर एग्जॉस्ट था.
ठीक है.
तो लकीली उस दिन एक चिड़िया आके ना एग्जॉस्ट को लगी और वो नीचे गिर गई. चिड़िया को कुछ हुआ नहीं. एंड हिना स्टार्टेड क्राइंग कि चिड़िया को पूरे 40 मिनट्स का हमारा वो क्लास का वो पीरियड होता था. शी केप्ट क्राइंग एंड शी रियली हर्ट, द बर्ड इज हर्ट. पूरे 40 मिनट उस चिड़िया को उसको चुप कराने में और हिना को तसल्लियां देने में गुजर गया. एंड वी डिडंट स्टडी केमिस्ट्री. और सर बेचारे परेशान थे कि अब ये बच्ची रोए जा रही है, मैं क्या करूं. एंड वी वर लाइक अमेज कि तुम बाद में इतनी देर तक रोती कैसे रही. उसने कहा 40 मिनट तो गुजारने थे कि केमिस्ट्री ना पढ़नी पड़े. एंड सर कुड नेवर फिगर आउट. एंड ही सेड कितना नरम दिल है कि चिड़िया की उसको चोट पे भी ये बच्ची पूरा 40 मिनट रोती रही.
I think she should have probably pursued a career in acting.
Oh, well, she's a very famous designer now, by the way.
अच्छा.
One of the leading designers in Multan.
ठीक है. Would you like to give a shout out to her?
Miss हिना मंसूर, फिर कैसा लगा आपको अपने बारे में सुन के, अपना प्रैंक याद करके? अभी तो 1-2 और भी हैं आपके, लेकिन वो मैं ऑन कैमरा नहीं सुना सकती.
Okay, so Filza, I'm going to ask you a few fun questions. If your campus life was a person, what zodiac sign would they be?
मेरा ही साइन होएगा, एरीज ही होएगा.
If your campus was a movie, what would the title be?
Home Alone.
What's one subject that you absolutely hated in school but ended up loving anyways?
Maths.
Really?
I hated it in school. मैं अभी तक अपने बच्चों का मैथ्स का सवाल करती हूँ. It gives me adrenaline rush. मैं कहती हूँ उफ कितना मजा आ रहा है. मेरे बच्चे कहते हैं मामा क्या है आप.
So Filza, have you ever pulled an all-nighter which was not for studies?
O levels के टाइम थे और देखा हमने VCR पे फिल्म और लगी होती थी बारी, दरवाजे पे देखते रहना अब्बा तो नहीं आ रहे. जैसे ही अब्बा आए VCR बेड के नीचे छुपा देना.
What's one creative excuse that you used for a late submission?
सर वो ना सारी रात बिजली नहीं थी हमारे घर पे। वो आपको पता है हमारा घर MGM के पास है, तो वो ट्रांसफार्मर उड़ जाता है। उस ज़माने में ना जनरेटर होते थे ना UPS होते थे।
If you could name one thing after you from your campus, what would it be and why?
Canteen.
Why?
Because I used to love, मैं अभी भी foodie हूँ, used to love food in my canteen at time. And one of my friends, Zara, अगर वो कभी सुन रही हो, वो भी बड़ी सक्सेसफुल अलमनाई है, आप उसका भी इंटरव्यू कीजिएगा
इंशाल्लाह।
Zara का लंच आता था, and you know she used to live very close to Koti Al Nasreen.
ठीक है।
So she used to get hot ready lunch during the break time.
Amazing.
और उसके लंच आने से वो उसको नसीब नहीं होता था, मैं खा जाया करती थी।
ठीक है।
Before she used to go get it. So canteen was my favorite spot.
What's one food from the canteen that you still miss?
French fries with lots of ketchup on it.
Okay.
But you know, the same canteen wala is still at the Beacon House canteen.
Oh
The
wow.
one that we had, वो forgotten his name now. तो जब मैं कभी बच्चों की canteen पे जाऊँ और मैं देखती हूँ, it's like, oh my God, you know, भाईजान अभी तक माशाल्लाह से हैं.
I think that kind of also speaks about the culture at Beacon House. That you know, people who've joined the system, they're still there. They don't want to move on to other places.
A lot of my teachers are there, you know, and that's the best part. कि मेरे टीचर्स अब मेरे बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं।
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह।
मैं बार-बार ये बात इसलिए भी बता रही हूँ कि मैं इतनी बड़ी उम्र की नहीं हूँ।
Filza, are you in touch with any of your former teachers from school?
एक हमारे म्यूजिक के सर होते थे, सर नेल्सन. He was part of मेरे बच्चे उनके साथ भी रहे हैं. And then there's our उर्दू टीचर. अब देखो ना, अब उम्र पता लग रही है. She was there. Then there's a maths sir, Sir Zafar थे.
Tell us, according to you, how education has evolved with the passage of time.
It's become quite easy to study now.
ठीक है.
Because when I tell my kids, you're so lucky. You've got a world in front of you to, you know, so much help and aid to study.
Yes.
Because at our times, we didn't have these, you know, we didn't have access to the net. So, you know, you just type a word and you can make your notes, you can get extra information. And then at those times, we used to have encyclopedias, and that only in libraries, or some fortunate kids used to have them at home.
True.
So, you know, we had to rely on either people or either on those books that we didn't directly have access to. So it's become quite easy, at the same time very challenging too and competitive too. But I think now studying now has become more interactive, more fun, rather than those times, because it was more challenging back then.
If you could relive your student years, would you rather be a student in the time in which you were or in the current times?
No, in the which I was. वो बहुत प्यारे times थे. The times were simple, the times were nice, we used to have a lot of fun.
ठीक है.
ये जो educational opportunities है, ये मैं पीछे ले जाती हूँ.
ठीक है.
लेकिन times वैसे रखती हूँ, simple.
So like a best of both worlds
Yes.
kind of a scenario.
Yes.
ठीक
We
है.
used to interact with each other more. We weren't interacting on phones with each other.
True. Filza, can you please walk us through your professional journey?
Actually, I was doing my MBA, so my father went into a renal failure and I got married and I got married to a feudal, and he said कि तुम नौकरी तो नहीं कर सकती ना, कि 9 to 5 वाली नौकरी or bank. I said okay, fine, and I was living on the suburbs of Multan on his lands, and बहुत मुझे complex था. All my friends, कोई Google काम कर रहा है, कोई कहाँ कर रहा है, and I was doing nothing. So I started working with the women artisans there. Started off, तब मेरा नहीं था कि भाई I'm going to really help these women. तब मुझे था कि I need to do something. And then I just started my hand embroidery का passion. Started working with them. Didn't know कि it'll turn into a social enterprise and all. So फिर when I came to the women's chamber, then I had the opportunity to explore my managerial, you know, जितने भी वो थे. So then it went on chamber से. Then when the chamber की presidency ended, so I thought कि if I had to do a lot, and you know it was just a tenure of a year, and a lot has been left. So then the question arises कि अब क्या करूँ? Then I started my network for women, and then you know, and I realized कि there's so much potential in Multan, but the people of Multan don't get the opportunities because हम हर वक्त रोते हैं that you know everything happens in the bigger cities. But then what we don't do is that we don't fight for our opportunities. We don't create platforms. We just sit and wait. So I started Multan Matters, that yes, the Multanis and Multan, they both matter. So that's how I started off my ventures, and it's still going on. It's still a learning process, still a developing phase going on.
So you basically started off with helping yourself.
Yes.
And mashallah, alhamdulillah, you ended up helping a lot of other people who were in similar positions.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Acha Filza, what's one myth about your profession that you would like to debunk?
That women can't do everything. And I seriously think women can do everything, and they can do it far better than the men. Because उनको कोई टेंशन नहीं है कि घर जाके कुछ करना है. हमें होता है उफ घर जाके भी इतना सारा कुछ करना है कि बच्चों का भी ये करना है. So women can do anything.
ठीक है. It's basically the invisible work that women are associated with as well. Yeah. So it's difficult for the opposite gender to actually come to terms with what it is. क्योंकि वो इतना intangible होता है कि उसकी कोई फिर मुझे लगता है उस तरह से value जो है
micro manage करना, वो time manage करना and everything. So it's very, a lot of people think women can't be good leaders. They can be. They can be excellent leaders. They're more compassionate.
Acha, can you tell me how Beacon House has contributed to your professional journey?
Whatever I am today, the amount of confidence I had that I can do something, मुल्तान में उस ज़माने में बच्चियों में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता था. जब हम बैक इन 90s की बात कर रहे हैं, तो it was Mrs. Niazi who gave us all the confidence कि नहीं, तुम लोग अंग्रेजी भी बोल सकते हो, तुम लोग ये भी कर सकते हो, my girls can do anything. I think Beacon House Multan was basically जो बनाया था और उसको एक shape दी थी, that was Mrs. Niazi. More than the teaching, more than just the learning, it was the grooming that she did for us.
I think it's extremely important to have mentors to build the foundation of any school per se in this capacity. Are you in touch with her?
Oh yes, we are, and these reunions, हम उन पे भी मिले, and then a lot of friends met. So she made a group of my girls. Okay. So she always used to call us my girls. So we have a WhatsApp group with her. We're in touch with her. So a lot of friends who we were not in touch with, we got in touch with each other.
That's so sweet, mashallah.
She's amazing.
Especially the My Girls title.
Girls. Yeah.
That's really nice. Filza, can you tell me your concept of mentorship and the importance that you would signify with it?
So mentorship is understand your mentee, understand your student. तो बच्चे को समझना, बच्चे की personality को समझना और फिर उसको पढ़ाना कि हर बच्चा 10 out of 10 लेके नहीं आ सकता.
बिल्कुल.
वो जो 6 out of 10 लेके आ रहा है, उसके अंदर भी बहुत सारी और abilities हैं जो 10 out of 10 वाले के पास नहीं है. Alia Nabil, she's a teacher at Beacon House and she's taught my kids. And she used to, मैं कहती थी आलिया, you do a child's X-ray. कि तुम बता देते हो कि बच्चे की तुम उसकी मुझे when I go to the parent teacher meeting, you don't tell me about my child's grades. You tell me about my child's attributes.
Do you have a message for your former self?
And the former self was young. The former self didn't have that much of an exposure and didn't have the experiences of life. So I wish I could tell myself that बच्चे सब्र कर और थोड़ा complain करो.
Do you have a message for the current students of Beacon House?
Make the best of your school times, help each other and make friends. These school friends will last you forever. They're the friends that will stay with you for life.
Thank you so much, Filza, for joining us on today's session of On Air with Boss. It was an absolute pleasure to have you with us.
Same here, thank you.
Loved the session, loved the energy and loved the message also.
Thank you.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.